It's day 12 and nakapag-ready na ako. And gigisingin ko na si Colette. So, yeah, magbe-breakfast lang kami and ihatid ko na siya sa school. And pupunta na ako sa work. So, update ko na lang kayo guys later. Bye-bye. Hello guys. So, andito na ako sa work. And maghihintay lang ako ng mga 2-3 minutes before pumasok. So, chika lang. So, kagabi, hindi ako masyadong nakapag-vlog kasi yun nga, baka makopyright ako. And hindi ko pwedeng i-mute yung video kasi hindi ako naglalagay ng ng music talaga kasi yun, kinakatakot ko yung copyright. So, yeah, puro raw yung mga ina-upload ko, walang kahit anong music aside from yung intro and yung outro, yun lang yung may music. So yeah, for today magwo-work lang ako, half day ulit ako and uuwi. Si tatay wala siyang work today pero may work siya tomorrow. So, ayun. Ayoko sanang pumasok. Gusto ko mag-call out kasi walang pasok si tatay. Pero, it's okay. Handito na ako. O, sige na nga guys. Update ko na lang kayo guys later. Bye-bye.
2,000 years later.
Hi! So, kakatapos lang ng work ko and sinundo ko si Pogi. Char. Okay, magla-lunch kami. Okay. Tawag dito. Uy, meron pala akong package dito. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung ano. May package na naman tayo. And ayun yung nakuha natin na tree. Di pa natin na-decorate, matatapos na magpapastos. Kalat daw. Kay AM yun.
Ilagay ko naman sa yung Christmas light.
Yeah, yung Christmas light. Sige nga, baby. Yes. Yes, please. Okay. Okay. Update ko na lang kayo guys later. Gutom na ako kasi hindi ako ang kinain ko lang kaninang breakfast ay ensaymada. So, yeah. Ayun, ang tatay. Update ko na lang kayo guys later. Bye-bye! Guys, so kakatapos lang namin kumain and diretso kami kay AM susunduin sa school. Di na naman ako nakapag-vlog dun sa may kinainan namin or meron lang yata isang video dun kasi gutom na catch. Yeah. Gutom na catch. So, kanina ko lang in-upload pala, kaninang mga 6-7. Yeah, 6-7! Mga 6 or 7 in-upload yung Vlogmas yesterday kasi sobrang antok na ako kagabi. So, hindi ko na kaya. Nag-try ako mag-edit pero napapikit na ako. Wala na, dire-diretso na yun. So, kaya later i-edit ko na to para may upload ko din today. Tatay, papadipol pa eh. Okay, update ko na lang kayo guys later. Bye-bye. Yung mga mountains, look. May snow na. Ayan, kaya malamig. Well guys, so nasundo na si Colette. Say hi, baby.
I haven't.
It's okay. You're eating what?
Skyflakes.
Skyflakes. Pinoy na Pinoy. So, we're going to Mamsi's house. Kukuha kami ng calamansi.
Kakarwash.
And magka-car wash si tatay. Kasi inaamag na yun dyan.
It's been a month.
It's been a year.
Ewan ko sa'yo. Tignan mo, magkamukha. Kakainis, oh. Huh? Diyos ko po. Diyos ko po. Sabi niya, bakit ka daw sinasabi na ano, bakit daw ko sinasabi sa kanya na ano, itsura mo, ano daw ibig sabihin nun? Itsura mo, ganyan.
What does it mean, Eden? Yeah, itsura mo.
What does it mean?
You look like Tatai.
Mhm. I know. Oh, here's your water. Oh, almost finished. You almost finished your water. Okay, so update ko na lang kay guys later. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Adios. What is it?
It's a fidget spinner.
No, you found what?
Found a rainbow in the cloud. Look.
Yeah. Ayun, may rainbow. Ayan, kukuha kami ng calamansi. May malunggay pa. And palaya. Paano na? Paano na yun po? Ito yung talong ng orange. Ayan, daming kalamansi.
Yes. I got it. I got the scratcher.
Say hi, mama. Ayan, kalamansi. Apakadami po!
Kaya nga, nahuhulog.
Nahulog na. Ayan.
Galing kami ng doktor ni Daddy. Arthritis.
Okay, sige po.
Meron siyang,
Yeah, sige po. Ang sipag. Sipag. Wait lang. Thank you.
dami kayo nga ron.
The sky is so pretty. It's like pink.
Yeah, we
Pinkish.
got McDonald's. Look. Guys, look. We got McDonald's.
Yeah, because every Friday,
We get McDonald's. But I get always McDonald's and Tuesday and Wednesday and Friday and Saturday.
oh, yeah. You happy?
We're gonna cut your hair, Eden?
Yes.
After McDonald's.
Tatay has work tomorrow. So,
Can I get food?
yeah. So, yeah. Tomorrow, magbabalot na ako ng mga gifts talaga. Tapos Sunday,
Next Sunday.
No, Sunday, you have swimming.
Yeah. I don't have soccer until
Next year.
next year.
Yes.
Yes. I miss soccer, but I can't. It's too long.
It's okay.
I hope it will be next year.
Yeah, it's okay.
Am I gonna grow up in January 1st?
Yeah. You are growing up every day.
In January 1st?
Mm-hmm.
Before my birthday? The happy meal.
Yeah.
Da-da-da.
Sayang-saya ka, ha?
Open it.
Mhm. So every Friday, we get to eat
McDonald's.
McDonald's. But this week, this guy already ate how many times?
Maybe 4 or 3.
3. Because...
I want it.
That's not really good, diba? Too much is not
Good.
okay.
4 is okay?
No. Guys, so kakatapos lang namin na maligo. Ayan. Siyempre, sabay kami. Tsareng. Tawa na lang si tatay. Patnubay ng magulang ay kailangan. Siyempre. Siyempre. Tawag dito. So, naghahanap si tatay ng movie na mapapanood. Yeah. So, tatapusin ko na yung, i-end ko na yung vlog dito kasi para makanood kami.
Yeah, it's not gonna be that one.
So, family Friday night movie. Parang ganon. So, yeah. Update ko na lang kayo guys tomorrow again. Duty si tatay tomorrow. Yeah. Ay, tatay, naririnig ba yun? Ano yun? Tumutunog.
Sa kabila yata.
Sa kabila? Saan kabila? Ano yun Fire alarm. Tatay, fire alarm. Hindi dito sa atin, no?
Sa kabila.
Oh my God, baka walang tao doon.
Why there's a fire alarm here?
Ayun,
Mamaya
baka nagluluto sila. So, ayan. Update ko na lang kayo guys bukas. Mag-wrap ako ng gifts. Yun ang task natin tomorrow dahil wala naman si tatay. And maglilinis. So, magtutupi ng mga nilaban. Kasi maglalaban na naman ako. Mga 2 weeks na yung tupiin ko dun. Yeah. So, ayun. Aiden, come here. Say bye-bye. We're gonna say bye-bye to your, say bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
See you later.
Hala, you keep on doing that, Sige, oh my God. Oh, sige. If you keep on doing that, your face will be like that forever. You want that? Oh, sige. You're not gonna be like nanay and tatay anymore. Oh, what's that?
Yeah, not like that.
No, I'm making this swirl.
The swirl tongue daw. Okay, say bye-bye. Say good night. We're gonna watch movie.
Say good night na.
Say good night. Say good night. Hello.
Hour.
Okay, good
My
night.
jaw hurt.
Good night.
Good night.
My jaw hurt.
Adios.